Going down to the fourth one on this list, Bertolino, Brian Laundrie's attorney.
I thought this was interesting, yeah.
Says that he gave advice to stay put in Wyoming and that he was, quote unquote, this is his words now, I'm going to be very clear, his words, he was annoyed. The word was annoyed that Brian returned home in Gabby's van and didn't stay put in Wyoming. So, is that a significant revelation to you? And then, okay.
Can I one quick point on that?
Yeah.
In hindsight,
the worst
part of that, in hindsight, the worst part of that is that it's Gabby's van. But you almost, from a defense attorney standpoint, and I don't know what the ethics are for an attorney here, don't you want him to leave? Because now to bring him back, you gotta extradite him to get him back. Why would you have him stay? If he stays, you're setting him up for an arrest because you've already determined I may need a criminal attorney.
The optics of this story, him returning home
it
without
looks worse,
his fiance, the optics are really terrible.
Unless you realize that the truth at that point is she's dead and he knows it.
You could make the argument that this story hit the stratosphere when he returned home in her van without her.
Now, that's true. But in hindsight, she's dead. So he's annoyed that she returned home. I get that, but it does look bad. But at that point, we don't know that she's gone unless they did.
You don't know who knows what.
Unless they do know. Unless that question was asked, what do you mean she's gone? And he told them what he meant by that.
The other one on this list is the storage unit mystery. We have a poll coming up about this, and we're about to reveal the results. You know what? We're going to save the storage unit mystery for later on in the show. Let's reveal the results of our poll.